Hi there! In this video I will show you how to make a prebiotic grapefruit juice. It's amazing! You will need one grapefruit and will need to remove the seeds first. Put the grapefruit in the blender. Consult health professional for amount of sugar to add. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic. This is pure acacia prebiotic fiber, which so far has the highest prebiotic content in the natural world. The powder is made without heating or grinding, which is perfect for health benefits. Blend it well. Enjoy!